Nissan CVTs require a unique transmission fluid with specialized frictional characteristics designed to ensure the belt or chain remains in contact with the pulleys without slipping. AMSOIL synthetic CVT fluid provides outstanding metal-to-metal frictional properties and excellent protection and performance for CVTs throughout vehicle manufacturer recommended drain intervals. The metal-to-metal frictional properties between the Nissan CVT's belt-chain interface and the pulleys are important, relying on the CVT fluid to prevent slipping. AMSOIL synthetic CVT fluid provides exceptional metal-to-metal frictional properties to help prevent belt and chain slipping and help extend transmission life. AMSOIL synthetic CVT fluid is durable. In normal and severe service, it effectively resists wear to the transmission's vital parts, helping achieve long life. In elevated heat, synthetic CVT fluid's thermally stable formulation guards against the harmful effects of thermal breakdown. It resists the formation of varnish that can threaten transmission performance and life. AMSOIL synthetic CVT fluid provides superior wet clutch performance for outstanding anti-shudder durability and reduced noise, vibration and harshness. Field testing was conducted to compare AMSOIL synthetic CVT fluid and Nissan NS2 CVT fluid. 2 vehicles equipped with AMSOIL CVT fluid and 2 with Nissan NS2 CVT fluid were driven 100,000 miles before the transmissions were torn down and inspected. As indicated by the lack of wear in the belt and pulley photos below, AMSOIL CVT fluid provided outstanding protection throughout the duration of the field trial, proving it is a high-quality replacement for Nissan NS2 CVT fluid. In FZG wear testing, Nissan NS2 achieved a 7-stage pass, while AMSOIL CVT fluid significantly surpassed it with an 11-stage pass. In the JSO LVFA anti-shudder durability test, AMSOIL CVT fluid lasted 6 times longer, translating into improved anti-shudder durability and reduced noise, vibration and harshness.